Happiness is the settling of the soul into its most appropriate spot. Happiness is the meaning and the purpose of life, the whole aim and end of human existence. Happiness is activity. Happiness depends upon ourselves. What it lies in our power to do, it lies in our power not to do. Misfortune shows those who are not really friends. Different men seek after happiness in different ways and by different means, and so make for themselves different modes of life and forms of government. Happiness belongs to the self-sufficient. Happiness is an expression of the soul in considered actions. Happiness is a state of activity. The activity of happiness must occupy an entire lifetime, for one swallow does not a summer make. The life of the intellect is the best and pleasantest for man, because the intellect more than anything else is the man. Thus it will be the happiest life as well. True happiness flows from the possession of wisdom and virtue and not from the possession of external goods. Happiness is a sort of action. Happiness depends on ourselves. If happiness is activity in accordance with excellence, it is reasonable that it should be in accordance with the highest excellence. Happiness, then, is found to be something perfect and self-sufficient, being the end to which our actions are directed. If happiness, then, is activity expressing virtue, it is reasonable for it to express the supreme virtue, which will be the virtue of the best thing. A thing chosen always as an end and never as a means we call absolutely final. Now happiness above all else appears to be absolutely final in this sense, since we always choose it for its own sake and never as a means to something else. Happiness is a certain activity of soul in conformity with perfect goodness. A good man may make the best even of poverty and disease, and the other ills of life. But he can only attain happiness under the opposite conditions.